The execution of Marcellus Williams in Missouri has reignited a fiery debate about the Supreme Court's stance on the death penalty. Critics argue that Williams's claims of innocence and issues with the DNA evidence were not given proper consideration. This case casts a harsh light on the court's high bar for intervening in death penalty cases, often reflecting a split between liberal and conservative justices. Supporters of the court's decision, like law professor Paul Cassell, argue that states should handle these cases with minimal federal oversight. Yet the execution has highlighted concerns about potential wrongful convictions and prosecutorial misconduct. Williams's case has striking parallels to that of Richard Glossip, another inmate facing execution under similarly disputed circumstances. Both cases underscore the severe ethical dilemmas inherent in capital punishment. Looking forward, the Supreme Court is set to hear several new death penalty cases in the coming weeks. One involves Richard Glossip, whose conviction is called into question by the reliability of key witness testimony. Another case centers on Brenda Andrew, challenging her conviction on the grounds of biased prosecution due to her sexual history. These cases could offer the Supreme Court a chance to clarify its position on significant issues like intellectual disability claims, prosecutorial misconduct, and evidence admissibility. Historically, the court has been reluctant to intervene unless clear errors are identified in lower court proceedings, focusing mainly on procedural correctness. However, recent decisions indicate a potential shift in the court's approach. This evolving judicial landscape raises profound questions about the future of capital punishment in the United States. In the wake of Williams's execution, the White House has also weighed in, reiterating President Biden's opposition to the death penalty and emphasizing the ongoing review of federal execution policies. This underscores the broader national conversation about the ethical and legal complexities of capital punishment. While some argue for its necessity as a deterrent and just punishment, others point to the risks of wrongful convictions and racial disparities. The debate continues as the nation watches closely for the Supreme Court's next moves. Stay informed and let's continue this important conversation.